Today we are digging the trench and laying 1.5-inch electrical conduit from the ground mount for our solar to our powerhouse. We didn't quite get enough conduit, which you can see in the back of William's pickup way over there. We didn't get quite enough conduit to do the run from the powerhouse to the actual house, but that'll be coming. So a little bit about what we're doing here in terms of conduit. From the powerhouse to our house, we're gonna run 1.5-inch and 3/4 inch conduit in there. And the reason we're running 3/4 inch is so that I can run a low voltage line to a meter inside the house to tell me exactly how the batteries are doing and what wattage we're pulling and all of that good stuff. Then from the powerhouse to the solar array, we're gonna run 2 lines of 1.5 inch. We only need 1 right now, but we're gonna run 2 because we do plan to expand this solar array in the future. And if we run both of them in the same trench right now and just cap it, we don't have to dig the trench up later. So 3 cheers for that. That's the plan. William gets to play in the excavator, and pretty exciting around here. Hopefully, before too much longer, we'll have some electricity in the house. First up is to get the remaining tree stumps here out of the way of the machine. We sped up the footage here, but this took about 15-20 minutes for William to get the appropriate bucket on and then start digging our trench. The trench itself took probably half hour, 45 minutes to dig. I really do love heavy equipment, and I don't know how anyone got along without it. All right, the trench has been dug, and we have laid our conduit, and I am now in charge of gluing the conduit together. As I mentioned earlier, we're running 2 parallel lines so that we have room to expand our system without digging up our trench. And then as soon as I put these together, William can cover the trench and we can run the wire through it later.